A pickup driver kills 8 people in New York Tuesday after mowing down cyclists and pedestrians before striking a school bus in what officials branded a cowardly act of terror. 11 others are seriously injured in the attack. It is the first deadly terror-related attack in New York City since 9/11. The truck driver strikes just blocks from the 9/11 memorial, close to schools and a park as children and their parents geared up to celebrate Halloween. United States President Donald Trump, who has curbed the number of migrants entering the country, swiftly declares the U.S. must not allow ISIS to return or enter our country after defeating them overseas. Trump calls the attacker very sick and a deranged person. U.S. media identified the attacker as an Uzbek citizen living in Florida. He was shot by an officer in the abdomen and taken into custody.